Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and dabble in some wigs. Me not knowing anything about wigs, I decided to get the cheapest wig that I could find on Amazon. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open this wig and we're going to go over, what it looks like. Go ahead and try to revamp it. So being that I don't really know anything about wigs, this could be a big disaster, or this could be like something cute to wear while my hair is growing out because I feel like a bum right now. Let's hope that this wig is, cute. This little wig, and I will go ahead and insert what it looks like on Amazon, and it was $17.99. My cheap ass self loved that price. So this is what it came in. Of course, it came with a little hairnet. And then it has cute little instructions on the back on how to put that on. Of course, I probably will need help with that because I don't know shit about wigs. And then it came with this little card. So that's really, really cute. Let's open that up and see what it says or what it is. Okay, so it's just a little how to wear card. So the little card is a blank card inside, and then it says on the front, love with warmth and understanding at this time of missing you and friendship. That is yours for all the tomorrows. Happy every day. Okay, so that definitely is not really great English, but cute nonetheless. It's a little card, and then it came with its own little envelope. So I mean, that was nice. For $17.99 you get a free broken English card. I ain't mad at it. Go ahead and open up the wig itself. So it feels, now I forgot to mention this is a synthetic wig. Obviously for $17.99 it's going to be synthetic. And it comes in this big giant hairnet. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of that. Here is the wig itself, if I can get to it. It has stuffing in it. Ooh, she look big. Okay. So the hair feels nice. It doesn't feel super plasticky. It feels nice, but these are some Rick James curls. Like, let's be honest. So on the inside of the wig, it's obviously has, all lace. It has a couple combs. It looks like in the backs. And then it has both of those bands that you can adjust it are on either side. So, I mean, for $17.99, they putting in clips and bands. Okay, I see you. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's super, super big head friendly. It's sort of small. So this is definitely looking really, really wiggy. It's super shiny. The curls, like I said, are super Jerry curl. And this is definitely a soul glow like hair.
Just let your soul go. Just let it shine.
I think for this, I'm going to go ahead and try to roll it in the rollers that I use in my hair. I do have a video, if you guys want to check that out, on how I style my hair when it's hella dirty. But I think I'm going to go ahead and try those on this and see how that turns out. So if you guys want to see how I do that, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I should have known from the jump that this was going to be a bit of a disaster. Oh, Lord. Yeah. That is how the rest of this evening goes. Anyway, I got this wig head on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. I absolutely love it. And I have these T-pins. I'm going to go ahead and pin the wig onto this wig head and get to rolling. Okay, using these plastic rollers that I use in my hair all the time, I figured, why not? Why wouldn't it work? Yeah, I was completely fucking wrong. This did not work that well. As you can see, I was struggling just getting these on the roller, and yeah. Yeah, like 25 years later, I finally got one in the roller, and I couldn't roll all the hair up because the hair is too long. So I figured I was going to be maybe cutting this anyway, so I wasn't too worried about the ends. So yeah, here I am trying to wrap the rest of the hair on there. Okay, so this ended up taking forever. This wig has a shit ton of hair, and this is a way more than what I signed up for. Oh, this is gonna take fucking forever. And I'm not gonna have enough rollers.
6 months later.
Okay, so you can see here I started using some of the smaller yellow rollers on top because I honestly did not have enough of the pink ones.
I'm looking all raggedy in my night clothes and shit.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so here is all the hair rolled up. For the most part, I got them all rolled up, and now I figured, oh, I don't have a steamer. Let me use my iron as a steamer, and this was making a fucking mess, and I honestly don't think it got hot enough. Yeah, blasting shit, but not hot enough, I don't think, to help anything. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it in a plastic bag, and I let this sit overnight. Okay, so this is the next night. It has been in rollers for a full 24 hours. And I already did like a little, like where I took one of the rollers out, and it looks exactly the damn same as before. I put 2 hours of work into rolling this damn hair. I'm so salty. So I'm just taking the rollers out. There were a few that looked good, but for the most part, they look like that. Like just, oh Lord. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and unroll everything. Okay, so the only thing I accomplished putting those rollers in this hair was giving her I've been hoeing all night hair. Her hair legit looks like she has been on her back, knees, stomach, whatever position all night long. And it is, oh, such a fail. Look at that hot ass frizzy mess. I can't. I do think I want to cut this down a little bit and maybe try to salvage some of the curls. Watch a couple more videos on how to do that, obviously. Anyway, if you guys want to see me do like a makeup look with this and wear it after I try to fix it, then make sure to comment below. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.